Good morning, students. Welcome to your YouTube channel Attri Academy. Here today in this video, we are with the first chapter of your 6th class science. The food, where does it comes from? So in this video, let us learn together. Here are few pictures you can see here on the screen. These are some fruits and some vegetables. Here are some grapes, the banana, the lemon, the cauliflower, the tomato, the onion. And in another pictures you find some other fruits, watermelon, the orange and the pineapple and so many strawberries and others. And in another picture you see here these are the food grains of wheat, the gram, the barley and other and the mustard, etc. So of these three pictures, if we go and consider with these pictures, the one thing that will reflect in our mind is that all these products, all these things are edible things. You can eat them all. What do you mean by edible things? The edible things are those things which we can eat. So all these things which are shown here in this picture are edible things. And another common thing is that these all we get from the plants. These we all get from the plants. Another pictures are here. In this picture you can see here it is a fish here. There are few eggs, meat and some other things. All the non-vegetarian products are here. And in the next picture you can see it is milk here. It's butter or the ghee. We can say it is milk, and the in this picture it is milk and the milk products. In the next picture you see here it's a very sweet and delicious in taste. Yes, definitely it is honey that we get from honey bees. See again all these pictures, and in these three pictures the one thing which is very common is that all these are too edible. We eat them all. And another common thing is that all these edible things, whether egg or the meat or the milk or the sweet honey, all these we get from animals. This is the chapter. The chapter of your 6th class science is food, where does it come from? So let me discuss here. Of the pictures we have said, we have explained already many things. It will be easy for you now to understand the question we are going to discuss now. So the very first question of the chapter is, what is meal? Or you also can say, what is food? What is a meal or what is food? The edible things to which organisms eat to survive life and for the body growth are called food. Food provides essential energy and nutrients to the organism. It is the definition of the meal or the food. So, let I explain you. We all very well familiar to this fact that every animal, human beings and rest of others, animal and all living beings, they take food. For example, we take meal, we take food 3 times. In the morning we take breakfast, in the daytime we take lunch, in night we take dinner, usually 3 things, and we keep on eating this and that throughout the day sometimes. So why do we get this? Why do we eat the meal? Why do we eat the food? Because the food, it provides us 2 things. One is the energy and the another thing is the matter. Energy is required by all the living beings, all the organisms to process all the life activities. There are many life processes which are executed in the living beings, and the execution of different life processes needs energy, and this energy comes from food. So first thing is clear, the food. Why do we eat food? We eat food for one reason, that it gives us energy. Another reason is that it gives us matter. Every organism, it needs matter for its growth and the maintenance of the body. You say, take example of a newly born baby. It's a very small in size, and it feeds on not all the human baby. You can take example of any animal, other animal, and the small baby of that animal as well. It is very small at the time of its birth. As the time passes, with the time it feeds, it takes its food, and with this food the different type of the life process they go, and the growth of the animal, like the human of animals, I mean to say human baby or other animals, and day by day we grow with the matter that we get from food. So I think it is clear for you all. If somebody asks you what do you understand by meal, so it is very clear, the all the edible things we eat to survive life and for the growth and the maintenance of the body is called food or the meal. And the food or the meal, it provides us two essential things. One is energy and another is matter, and this matter we say in refined language as nutrients. Another question, where do we get food from? It I have explained already through the pictures in the introduction part of the video, and in the pictures again let me see here. And here in these pictures, these are fruits and some vegetables, and other than these fruits and vegetables, here are some grains. All these things that we can see here in the pictures are plant products, in another pictures, in these you see here, there are eggs, it's meat, the fish and milk product and the honey. All these are from animals. So if we go and discuss where do we get food from, the right answer is this: we get food from plants and animals. It is mistakenly misprinted here. You need not to write tree. Okay, so it is misprinting here. Viewers, I request you read this as I am reading. We get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. Another question, what things do we get from plants? You will find these three words many where in the PDF file, and so in during the study avoid it. Okay, because I cannot edit online now while making this video, so avoid it during this study of the chapter in the video. So again I say, what things do we get from plants? We get food from plants. We get food items, different food items like grains, fruits and vegetables from the plants. Then comes another question, which parts of the plants are used to eat, and which parts of the plants are useful to eat? Describe with example. Here as highlighted, the following parts of the plants are used for eating. I have shown you here through the picture and the words. The very first picture, it reflects and explains itself. You can see here, these are the carrot and the radish. Carrot and radish are the root. So the very first part of the plant that can be eaten can be root. Roots of the plants like carrot and radish can be eaten. Another example, another part of some plants is stem. The stem of some plants can be eaten. The example is potato. Potato is the stem. It is a stem. And another example is sugarcane. The Stem is the part of the sugarcane which is edible. In the stem of the sugarcane there is found juice, and this juice is sweet in taste, and we can eat it raw, or squeezing it we can extract the juice, we say sugar cane juice. And in the factories of this juice of the sugar cane, by the process, different process, sugar is made, sugar is prepared, the sugar which we use in the kitchen. So we get sugar from sugar cane. Another part of the plants that we can eat, yani edible part, are the leaves. Many plants are there, the leaves of which can be eaten. Here in the picture you can see there are many plants shown here with the green leaves, and these green leaves are edible. Here are spinach, the green cabbage, and the green coriandrum, and the green mint, etc., etc. So another, if we go for the next part of the plant, the next part are the seeds. There are many plants, seeds of which can be eaten. For example, wheat, gram, millet, barley. We can eat these all. We can eat these all. You know, you usually take chapatis in your meal. Where does the chapati comes from? The way your mother she cooks this chapati from flour. And where does the flour comes from? It comes from wheat grain. And where does the wheat grain come from? Where do the wheat grains come from? From the wheat plant. So another part of the plants which are edible are the seeds. And in this picture again you can see there are many plants whose fruits and vegetables are edible. So of this question, what parts of the plants are edible, the answer is this: the different parts of the plants can be eaten. Thus we have studied that different parts of the plants can be eaten, like roots, stem, leaves, seeds, and the fruits. We will now discuss the rest of the chapter in our another video, and I will soon upload the second part of this chapter in my another video, and you can get it there. I request all of the viewers to go to YouTube app, sign in or log in the YouTube app of your mobile, and in that search for Attri Academy. And when you search on the interface, you will find Attri Academy, and there is a red button of subscription. Press it and the channel will be subscribed. And on the right hand side to that subscription button, you will see an icon of a bell. Press it also, because when you press the bell icon, you will get all the notification of the videos to be uploaded in future. In this at this video YouTube channel Attri Academy, we will upload the entire syllabus as per the CBSE norms, both in Hindi and English medium. So you will